Hello everyone, welcome to another video. In this video, I will show you how to add funds to your Revolut account or how to deposit money on Revolut. Now, because of Revolut security reasons, I cannot show you the whole entire process, but what I can do is I can show you where to go and what to do. So as you can see here, you just need to click add money. Once you click add money, you will be able to add money. You need to select how much money you want to add, and you will need to add your debit or credit card that you want to pull money from. Now, once you have money here in Revolut, you will see the amount right here. As you can see, all my accounts, I have 11 euros, and you will pretty much have your own currency as well. And here, as you can see, once you have the amount, you can go to exchange. You can exchange the amount if you want, right? Or what you can do is you can send money by going down below in transfer. But this is basically the general way of adding money to Revolut. It's very simple, very easy to use. If you have any questions or if you want to know more about Revolut and how to use it, comment down below and visit our channel for more and subscribe to our channel for more. Thank you guys for watching.